Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15s-fq. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15s-fq is running dead slow and takes forever to open anything, you're likely facing hard drive issues. This can happen due to age, wear and tear, or even from too many files cluttering your storage. If left unattended, this can lead to system crashes and data loss, making it crucial to address the problem as soon as possible. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a new compatible hard drive for your HP 15s-fq. Now, let's get started on the repair. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft, flat surface to avoid scratches. Using the plastic opening tool, gently pry open the back cover, starting from a corner and working your way around. Be careful to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. Once you have access, locate the hard drive. It's typically secured with a couple of screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. Make sure to keep them in a safe place as you will need them for the installation of the new drive. Gently slide the old hard drive out of its connector, taking care not to tug on any nearby cables. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new hard drive and align it with the connector, sliding it in gently until it's securely in place. Once it's seated properly, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure it. Make sure not to over-tighten them as this could damage the drive. After securing the hard drive, carefully replace the back cover of your laptop, ensuring all clips are properly aligned and click back into place. Finally, plug in your laptop and power it on to verify that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, double-check your connections and screws to ensure everything is secure. To prevent this problem from occurring again, consider regularly cleaning up your files and programs, and perform routine maintenance checks on your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.